These are the tools I use for all of my calligraphy projects. From beginner stuff to clients projects. Let's break it. Welcome back for another video. Thank you all so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about every tool that I use for calligraphy and tell you a bit of the reasons why I use it. And if you're new here, my name's Joseph Dooley. Make sure to check out all my other videos, especially after you finish this one. And leave me a comment, subscribe, do all the usual. And with that said, let's get into it. I use brush pens like the Tombow Fudenosuke, Zig Kokoryo, and big brush pens. I use them because they're versatile, portable, and affordable. Smooth paper is non-negotiable. Rhodia or a premium choice of paper keeps my brush pens from fraying and also helps my broad edge pens work nice and smooth as well. And as I always say, you gotta test out what paper works for you. I sketch all layouts first with a lead holder pencil. These are more precise than just standard pencils. Also have forgot what type of, hold on, let me see if I can found it. Had to do some digging through a drawer that I had a good idea that it was there. But anyhow, back to what I was saying about the eraser. This is the type of eraser that I use. It's nice and clean, non-abrasive, and it doesn't tear the paper. And then when I remember, I use this little mini cleaner to pick up my pencil shavings, but I'll admit it, sometimes it doesn't work the best because here is where all the shavings and whatnot go, and yeah, sometimes they fall out. And I got my two sharpeners here. This sharpener is nice and compact. And then here at the bottom, you would just flip this. Actually, let me not do that because some is already falling out of the lead. But yeah, this is one of the sharpeners that I use. And then this is the other one that I use. I just love how you put the lead in and you just go around like that, lift it out, and then this piece here, it is an eraser. Not eraser, it is to clean the lead. So whenever you're writing, you don't have any of the shavings still on the lead. And then you could even clean it off even more in these two slots. But as you see, one is for a thicker lead compared to the other. And for digital lettering, I use my iPad and one of my favorite apps, Procreate. It's the easiest way to test compositions and to digitize pieces fast. These right here, these last two tools, they are optional but helpful. Light pads are for tracing layouts and rulers are for clean alignment. And when it comes to a scanner, I don't even scan my work. I'll take a picture of it with my iPhone, and that is pretty much good for me. So scanner and a ruler, these can't be not a scanner, a light pad. A light pad really can come in handy, depends on how technical you are getting with your work and how much further you need to take it. And these are very helpful for turning analog work into digital prints or even client work. If you want me to do a budget setup or beginner's kit, let me know for the next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love, everybody.